Hey guys, this video I'm going to teach you how you can make 3D shape in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, okay guys, we are going to make this 3D shape by using Adobe Illustrator. It is really simple. You don't need to be panic. Okay, so firstly I'm going to go to home. So after your home page, you will like get this kind of screen and going to hit create. Okay, after that you just set your workspace as you wish and going to create. And after this I'm going to draw shape. Okay, okay, I'm going to draw this guy, and this color is going to be black. I'm going to pressing on my keyboard V, and after this I'm going to pressing again alt key and drag. Okay, and now I'm going to press Ctrl D. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm making asset for my project. After this, I just selected move tool and selection tool. You can say B, and going to window. After this, after going to window, I am going to go sample and drag and drop here and okay. Okay, this is my asset, and now you can delete it. And after this, again you have to select rectangular tool, uh, shape tool, rectangular tool. I am sorry, this is called shape tool, and press shift and draw a circle, and again press V and or in blank space, and selection tool. Okay, direct selection tool, and after direct selection tool you have to select one side and delete key on your keyboard. Okay, after that select all and go to window, sorry, effect, go to effect and 3D and revolve. And after this you have to click on map art. After map art select symbol, and after this scale to fit and invisible geometry and okay. So now you have to give here like 18. Yeah, here it is showing 18. I'm going to give it 25, and going to give it 23, and this guy I'm going to give like I'm just testing here, 26. Okay, so it's still like okay. You have to just manage it. What do you want? So I'm going to keep it like this, and now I'm going to click OK. Okay, I'm going to click it OK, and I have got my shape. And now I'm going to again select selection tool. After that going to object and expand appearance. Now again I'm going to click on object and expand, and right click, ungroup, right click, ungroup again right click, release clipping mask. Okay, and you have to click on blank space, and after this you have to click select this guy, and after this your one step is done, and you have to click again single shape. Okay, after that you have to click gradient, and as you can see our gradient is applied. And now I'm going to choose color, and I'm going to pick this color. Okay, and again you have to click on blank area, and you have to click secondary shape gradient and black and white. And yes, it is getting really thick, and our shape is ready. And now we are going to set a background. So how we will do it? Just go to drawing tool like rectangular tool and release. and you can see that here is applied gradient. I'm not going to apply gradient. Instead of gradient, I'm going to pick color. So which color I'm gonna pick? So you can choose from here. It will be really easier to pick color. And okay, and after this you have to just right click, not right click, you have to go to property and arrange and send to back. Okay guys, our shape is ready, 3D shape is ready. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. So thank you so much. I will take care your graphic designing journey. Okay, so thank you.